Hello students, this is Latif sir. Today I am going to continue the discussion about the roles of chemistry in different fields. In previous video, I have told that I have told some roles of chemistry in our daily life. Today I am continuing this same topic. So first, chemicals and medicine. That is role of chemistry in medical science. Maximum or all types of medicines are one type of chemicals. So to make medicine, chemistry has a very important role because all type of medicines are chemicals. So medicines are chemical substances also called drugs used for the treatment, cure and prevention of diseases. Medicines are chemical substances, also called drugs, used for the treatment, cure, and prevention of disease. They are obtained from plants and animals or prepared from chemicals. Medicine can be classified into many categories depending on the purpose they are used for. A few of these classes are discussed here. First type of medicine is antibiotic. Antibiotics are chemical compounds that prevent the infection caused by microorganisms. Antibiotics are one type of medicines, that is they are chemical compounds that prevent the infection caused by microorganisms and work by either inhibition their growth or by killing them. Black pepper is a good natural antibiotic. So antibiotic are the medicine used to prevent the infection caused by microorganisms. And one example of natural antibiotic is black pepper. And there are many man-made antibiotics such as penicillin, streptomycin, amoxicillin. You have to remember examples, two or more, three examples of each type of medicines, and definition of the each type of medicine, like antibiotic, definition of antibiotic, and example of antibiotic. Second type of medicine is analgesic. Analgesic are medicines that are used for relieving pain. That is pain. Analgesics are medicine that are used for relieving pain. Example of an analgesic: aspirin, paracetamol. These are commonly used as analgesic. That is pain reliever. Next type of medicine is antipyretics. Antipyretics are medicines that reduces fever. Antipyretics are medicines that reduces fever. Example of as antipyretics: aspirin, paracetamols. These are used as antipyretic. Next, antiseptics. Antiseptics are medicines that prevent the growth of microorganisms. Antiseptics are medicines that prevent the growth of microorganisms. Example of antiseptics: turmeric and marigold are good natural antiseptics. You have to remember the natural example of natural antiseptics. Answer is turmeric, marigold. These are natural antiseptics. Next is uh, one more example of antiseptics, man-made antiseptics, is tincture tincture of iodine. Tincture of iodine is common man-made antiseptics. applied to cuts and wounds. Next type of medicine, next type of medicine is antihistamines. Antihistamines are medicines that prevent or cure allergic reaction such as rashes and breathlessness. Antihistamines are medicines that prevent or cure allergic reactions such as rashes or and breathlessness. Next type of medicine is antacids. Antacids, I think all of you know about uh, antacids. It relieves the acidity in our stomach. So antacids are medicines that give relief from the excess acid produced in stomach. Antacids are medicines that give relief from the excess acid produced in the stomach. Milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia, that is suspension of magnesium hydroxide in water, is used to relieve the burning sensation or stomach pain due to acidity. So milk of magnesia is a antacid. Okay, you have to remember the examples also. Now roles of chemistry in industry, that is chemicals in industry. Many chemicals such as which is used in industry, which is or chemicals like marble, methane, natural gas, uh, plastic, glass. These substances all are chemicals. Plaster of Paris, limestone, and these substances are produced in industry, and to all of these substances are one type of chemicals. So there are important roles of chemistry in industry also. Many substances and many chemical compounds found naturally, such as methane, propane, and many have been made by man using naturally occurring substances such as hydrochloric acid, limestone, marble, gypsum, plaster of Paris, cement, glass, soap, detergent. All are one type of chemicals. Okay, and these are man-made chemicals. So chemistry has a important roles in industry, and you have to remember this type of substances and their components and their use or important roles. Okay, so first, methane. Methane is a gas at room temperature. This is the methane. It is a major component of natural gas. uh, that is compressed natural gas, CNG. You have seen that, uh, the fuel which is used in uh, for cooking food. Okay, so methane is a gas at room temperature, and it is a major component of natural gas, that is compressed natural gas, CNG, and biogas. CNG is now being used as automobile fuel also. And next, propane. Propane is also a gas, and it is a colorless gas that can be compressed into the form of a transportable liquid. Propane Propane is a colorless gas that can be compressed into the form of a transportable liquid. And liquefied petroleum gas, that is LPG, which is which is a mixture of propane and other gases. So the main component of LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, is propane. And this gas, that is propane gas or LPG, is a clean burning fuel used in the kitchen. Okay, and table salt. Now, table salt means NaCl. Table salt is a common substance which we used in our daily life, NaCl salt, and it is used for flavoring food and as a preservative in the food and pickles. It is also used in the manufacture of soap, paper, glass, and substances such as sodium and chlorine. Next type of substance is hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid, it is a strong mineral acid, and it is extensively used in a chemical laboratories and in household as cleaning agent. Next, pesticide. Pesticides are chemicals that are sprayed over food, over fruits, grains, and vegetables to control the damaging effect of such as pests such as rat, insects, fungi, and bacteria, thus reducing damage to crops. Pesticides are chemicals that are sprayed over fruits, food grains, and vegetables to control the damaging effect of pests such as rat, insect, fungi, bacteria, thus reducing damage to crops. However, they should be used below the permissible limits only. These food items must be washed thoroughly before consumption. Some example of pesticide are malathion, copper sulfate. These are example of pesticide. You have to remember malathion, copper sulfate, Bordeaux mixture. Bordeaux mixture means copper sulfate and lime mixture are some common pesticide. Bordeaux mixture with sulfur act as a good fungicide. Malathion and gamaxin or BHC, benzene hexachloride, are used as insecticide. Next type of chemical substances is fertilizer. It is also one. It is also some types of chemicals. Fertilizers make the soil fertile by adding essential elements to the soil. Many fertilizers such as ammonium nitrate, superphosphate, and urea have content that provide nutrition to the plant. So fertilizer make the soil fertile by adding essential element to the soil. And some example of fertilizer are ammonium nitrate, superphosphate, urea. These are fertilizer. Huh. This fertilizer provide nutrition to the plant. Now, limestone and marble. Limestone and marble. Limestone is white sedimentary rock, also known as calcium carbonate. Limestone means calcium carbonate. And limestone used to make white paint, white cement, tooth powder, and toothpaste. These are used of limestone, and limestone means calcium carbonate. And use of limestone is it is used to make white paint, white cement, tooth powder, toothpaste. Okay, and it is also used in manufacturing glass. In it is limestone also used in manufacturing glass. Okay, because it produce calcium and carbon dioxide, which is used in glass industry. And marble is metamorphosed limestone. Marble is metamorphosed limestone. The famous Taj Mahal in Agra made up of white marble. And marble is also used to make floor tiles. Okay, marble is also limestone, that is calcium carbonate, but it is metamorphosed limestone. And the famous Taj Mahal in Agra is made up of white marble. Next, gypsum and plaster of Paris. What is gypsum? Gypsum is hydrated calcium sulfate, and plaster of Paris, that is POP, is formed when gypsum is heated. So, plaster of Paris is formed from gypsum. On heating, gypsum become plaster of Paris, and plaster of Paris is used in coast module. Plaster of Paris is used in coast and molds and pottery, and it is also used making decorative ceilings in house and decorative items. You have to remember all type of uses of each substances. Okay. Next, cement and their components also. Like cement is a fine powder made up of limestone, gypsum, and clay. This composition you have to remember. Cement is a fine powder made up of limestone, gypsum, and clay. It has good building property and is hence mixed with water and used in building construction. White cement is used to make mosaic tiles and used in construction. Water repelling calcium separate water repelling calcium stearate. huh, Water repelling calcium stearate is mixed with cement in order to make the roof waterproof. Cement is also used to make concrete for use in construction by mixing with sand, stone, and water. Next, next type of chemical substance is glass. Glass is a hard brittle. Glass is a hard brittle and non-crystalline materials. Glass is a hard brittle and non-crystalline material. Glass can be transparent, translucent, or opaque, and it is prepared by heating silica, that is sand, with sodium carbonate, limestone, and potassium or sodium nitrate at a very high temperature. So the co- constituent of glass is sodium carbonate, limestone, silica, uh, potassium or sodium nitrate. You have to heat this mixture at a very high temperature. Manganese compounds are added to decolorize the glass. To make colored glass, a coloring agent is added. Next type of chemical compounds, hmm, which is produced in industry, soda lime glass. It is one type of glass. Now I have told that glass and glass may be different types, different varieties. So different varieties of glass are there, and these varieties, some of them are. First one is soda lime glass. huh. It is one type of glass. It is used in making window panes, drinking tumblers, and low cost glassware. Next is hard or potash glass. It is also used to make better grades of glassware and decorative items. Next is flint or crystal glass, safety glass, colored glass. Oh, there are many types of glass. Okay, pyrex glass, quartz glass, photochromatic glass, optical Optical fiber. Optical fiber is not a glass. Uh, it is actually glass is optical fiber glass is it is not actually glass, but you can take it, is you can assume it is one type of glass. So optical fibers glass is also used in making optical fiber. These are flexible transparent fiber made up of glass that are used in telephone and internet wires, television cable, and medical instruments such as endoscope, endoscopes. So optical, these are there are, I have told that there are many types of glass, huh, and you have to remember just component of glass. Now soap and detergent. Soap and detergent are man-made sodium and potassium salt of certain hydrocarbon compounds. Soap and detergent are man-made sodium and potassium salt of certain hydrocarbon compounds. Soap are manufactured as solid cakes, whereas detergent are manufactured in powdered form. Okay, and plastic. Then plastic classified into two categories. One is thermosetting plastic, another is thermoplastic. Example of thermosetting plastic is bakelite and melanin. These are thermosetting plastic. This plastic, that is thermostatic setting plastic, becomes set on heating and cannot be mold cannot be remolded on further heating. They are used in making handles of utensil and cabinets of television set. And thermoplastic, example of thermoplastic are PVC, polyvinyl chloride, polystyrene, polyethylene. These are thermoplastic. This plastic can be molded on heating, and they are used in making cable or for telephone cables for telephone and electric wiring. And plastic pipes, polythene bag, plastic toys, these all are made up of thermoplastic, thermoplastic. And paints, enamel and dyes. Paints are thick colorful chemicals fluid that are made up of fine particles of zinc, magnesium and aluminium salt suspended in a solvent. Depending on the types of solvent, paints may be water based or oil based. The common white paint is zinc oxide. It is used in the cosmetic industry. It is also used in plastic, rubber, soap, ink, paint. Paints are used in preventing rusting from iron. Buildings are painted to prevent decay due to moisture and growth of microorganisms. And enamels are organic compounds. Enamels are organic oil paint that are derived from plant resin. Enamels are organic oil paints that are derived from plant resin. They may or may not contain zinc and aluminum. They are used to paint household articles such as pots, refrigerators, and stove. And dyes are colorful organic substances that may be obtained from plants or prepared synthetically. Alizarin, uh, alizarin red and indigo blue are example of dyes. You have to remember the example of dyes. Dyes are used in the textile industry to impart the color of clothes. Synthetic dyes are also used for coloring hair and skin. Okay, indigo has been the oldest natural dye with distinct with distinct color in use. Turmeric, saffron, uh, beetroot, red cabbage, and spinach are some natural food dyes. Now, silicone are man-made substances made up of combination of silicon with other chemicals. Silicones are inert and non-toxic, hence are used in packing tinned food. So silicones are man-made substances made up of a combination of silicon with other chemicals. They have high melting and boiling points, making them suitable in making non-stick and heat-resistant pans. Now, chemistry in defense. Many types of uh, explosives such as TNT, trinitrotoluene, RDX research department explosive, and uh, IED, the improvised explosive device. All these are uh, the gift of chemistry, which are used in defense. Okay, so chemistry has played an important role in warfare and weaponry. Okay, thank you.